Now that we have our slide deck saved and imported inside Google Slides, we can start adding interactive features to it. We're going to use PearDeck to do this. You can notice up here, I have my PearDeck Power Up already running, and that is why this is available to me to click on. If you don't see that, you can simply click on Add-ons and open PearDeck Add-on. You must have the add-on installed before doing this. Now, I simply will go through the slide deck and choose what interactive features I want on what slide. So let's start with number 2. When I look at this question, I can then determine what kind of question I want this to be. Where do you see each number in a thousands cube? 10, 100, or 1000? So if I want to ask that question, I just want them to type, I'll simply select text. It's going to add that text to it. And now when students get to that slide, they'll be able to type in there. How is place value related to the number 10? So I want students to be able to respond to that question. So again, I'm putting in a text box. As I go through the rest of them, I'm just simply determining what type of question I want, whether it's a text choice, a multiple choice where we give students the different answers, a number if they're typing in a number only. This is great because it'll graph it on a number chart. You can have them draw, which would then allow them to just show their work and annotate and circle. Or you can give them draggable, where they can drag an object or an icon to a certain part of the slide. On this particular slide, it's asking us to write in a missing factor. You can see that they want you to write in here, here, and here. So that one I'll use a draw. Again, when students get to this particular slide, they'll be able to draw on the slide using markup tools that are built in to PearDeck. Okay, so now I can go to this slide, and again, it's a drawing slide, so I just select draw. Moving on, model it. So now we're going to be discussing, maybe I don't want this one to be interactive and I don't want them to draw on it, so I just leave it as is and move on. But finally, let's get to the exit ticket. And this exit ticket, again, I want them to be able to draw here. And that's all you have to do to turn a normal Google slide into a PearDeck.